Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a StarLine E96 to this 2019 Audi RS4. Customer was a bit paranoid about them lifting it, taking his wheels or hitting it or putting it on a trailer. So we fitted this upgraded system. How it basically works as a slave to this. When you leave the vehicle, just arm it. You'll get one bleep, one flash, doors will lock and there'll be a blue light inside that will start to flash. When you come back to the vehicle, hit the disarm button, system will disarm. Just to be aware that it's got a Bluetooth tag. So if someone was to clone the key, come to the vehicle, disarm the vehicle, if it doesn't see authorization from this, it will start going through a countdown procedure, which is what I'll show you shortly. Also, you can enable and disable it in the same way from the convenience door handle. So I'll show you that. So let me just disarm the system. Open and close the door and show you that we can arm it through the door handle. Also, this Bluetooth tag, not only is it a Bluetooth tag for ID recognition, what we call authorization, it's also arming and disarming. So if we now arm, you'll see on this one here, the lights have actually armed and given us visual. If we now disarm it, you see the lights, again, they've given us a double flash. Very cool, very snazzy. So what we'll do, just for test purposes, we'll arm it, wait for it to arm, and shortly we'll apply force to the vehicle. So we're going to do that now. If you see the lights are flashing, there you go. We're now going to disarm it. That's the shock sensor. Also, now what we're going to do is we're going to arm it. We're going to place this Bluetooth tag in a Faraday wallet and then come back and disarm it. Put this in a Faraday wallet, close the Faraday wallet up. So what we've simulated now is that someone's cloned the key, come back to the vehicle, jumped in, turned on the ignition and tried to start it and drive away. So what we do now is we'll go unlock it, we'll turn on the ignition and you'll see shortly it will start to chirp, count down a chirp and then trigger. So I'll have to run out, take the Bluetooth tag out the Faraday wallet to disarm the system, but I'm going to show you that now. There you go, system has disarmed straight away. Very, very good bit of kit. That was just to show you that obviously if someone cloned your key. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Company to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. I'm going to arm it now, make it safe. Thank you, bye bye.